Hi everybody, this is Marvin Flight. I'm the CEO of Flights Incorporated. And the lesson for today is to business owners. I'm going to tell you how to incorporate your business and the advantages of having your business incorporated or as an LLC. Well, when you think of an incorporation, you think of a large company, a big company like, say, Hershey or something like that. The business is incorporated to keep you from being liable for like lawsuits or anything like that that a person may file against your business. So what you do is you can really do it yourself. You don't have to go to one of these places online and charge you a whole lot of money to do it. Go online and go to your Secretary of State's website and then click on the incorporation, and it's basically self-explanatory. And in my state, North Carolina, I only had to pay $125, fill out a very simple form, and then mail the money order to the Secretary of State with the form. And in about 3 weeks, you got your articles of incorporation. Now, you can get a business account through your bank. Also, you need to get a tax ID number. It's free. You can just do it online, or you can call the 800 number to the IRS. They give you a tax ID number, and when you get that, that'll be like your Social Security number for your business. So, if you may have bad personal credit, but now you can start obtaining accounts through your business name. And when you do that, your business is, you are actually the owner, the employee, the officers, you're everything. But when people hear your name of your company, like Flights Incorporated, they don't know it's just me. They think it's like some big organization. But I am legally a corporation. Therefore, I'm also a employee of my own company. And a lot of people get afraid when they think about taxes. Oh, I don't want to do a business because then I had to pay taxes and everything like that. But if you think about it, if you're an employee of your own company, and if you have an accountant, you may need an accountant if you don't know how to do it. You write yourself a W-2 form. So therefore, the wages that you're paying yourself is an expense for your company. So that's taken away from their tax liability. For self-employment tax. So therefore, then your deduction for your company, or what you paying yourself, will keep your company from owing taxes, along with the other deductions that come along with the business, like maybe you buy a computer or something like that, for your business, or the utilities that you pay for your house if you work out of your home. All those are deductions. A lot of people are afraid because they're not educated. Because Flights Incorporated is a accounting business that I have. I have a couple more businesses, but that is my main business. I do. I keep books for small businesses, and I prepare taxes. And I also, I like to educate people on what they can do to make their business better. So you can have for your business incorporated for $125. You get your tax ID number for free, and then it all depends on the state, your local regulations, whether you need a business license for your business, which costs $50 every 6 months. So you pay a one-time fee of $125, at least in my state. It may be more in other states, but in my state, it's $125, and then $50 per 6 months for the business license, and your tax ID is free. And I recommend that you find somebody like myself to be a good accountant for you, and to set do your taxes for you, so you don't make mistakes and end up getting audited. Always make sure that you keep up with all your receipts and everything. I don't care what the receipt is for: clothes, shoes, gas, your light bill, water bill, everything. All that is a deduction for your business. So, it's always good to just put it in a shoebox. write it down somewhere. Make sure you keep up with it, because you never know when you might need it. You might need it one day. You may get audited one day. So it's always good for your safety to have all this stuff on hand. So don't be afraid to go in business for yourself. We're in a recession right now. Me personally, I haven't worked anywhere for anybody in the last 4.5 years. And, I have my ups and downs. When my money coming in good, that's good. When I have my downtime, it's bad. That's where you got to be a good manager of your money. So, because you never know what's going to happen. You got to be able to save. And if you can't, pay your bills up in advance. That's what I do. So, all depends on what your business is, the nature of your business. You need to research what you get into, because I have tried different businesses, and I have my down times and my ups, and sometimes the downs are more than the ups. But any kind of business that you get into, make sure you research it first before you get into it. But don't be afraid. And these days and times, we're losing our jobs out here, so you got to create one. If you don't have one, you got to create one. If you got one, thank you, brother. Hold on to it for right now. Anyway, thank you for your time. And there'll be more videos on how to make your life better in this world. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. I got a website called BeRecessionProof.com. Check it out, www.BeRecessionProof.com. And there is a nonprofit, like a social network, where everybody can get up there and just give your ideas about how we're going to get out of this recession and be recession proof. Be prepared, be more prepared for the recession next time it happens. I'm not the type of person that depends on the job, so the recession didn't really hurt me so much as it did another person that depends on the job and they do anything else on the side. So even you got a job, please, find your niche, find something to do on the side, make a little money. Because every little bit counts, and all money is not good money. So remember that. But also, more money is always better. Thank you and have a nice day.